Today we'd like to show you how to disassemble our MV multi-trap. Depending on your application, we recommend that you complete this procedure under a fume hood. Using a 7/16 inch nut driver, loosen the hex nut on the V-band clamp. Once the clamp is loose, it can be removed from the multi-trap. Now remove the top cover. Pull on the handle to remove the inner assembly. Once the assembly is out of the outer housing, place on a flat horizontal surface for filter service. Now that the inner assembly is ready to be disassembled, loosen and remove the knurled knob. Remove the retainer plate and the flat washer to expose the filters. Carefully remove all 5 filters from the inner assembly. Please note that depending on what size multi-trap you are using, there may be more filters. Now that the filters are removed, reach in and remove the Stage 2 base and Stage 3 plate. This will expose the last stage of filters. As before, remove all 5 filters from the inner assembly. Now your multi-trap is ready to be cleaned, prepared for vacuum service, and reassembled in reverse order.